Today I'm going to show you exactly how to upload your photos and files to a OneDrive folder, both using the website and the OneDrive desktop app. By the end of this video, you'll know how to quickly and securely store your important documents in the cloud, so you can access them anywhere, anytime, and never worry about losing them again. Let's dive right in, starting with how to do this on the OneDrive website. First things first, you'll want to open your browser and head over to OneDrive.com here, where you'll need to sign in with your Microsoft account. This step is crucial because your Microsoft account is what ties all your cloud files back to you and keeps everything secure. If you don't already have an account, you'll see an option to create one, and the process is pretty quick. Once you're in, you'll see your OneDrive homepage, which is a visual view of all your files and folders stored in the cloud. Take a moment to look around and get oriented. Now, think about where you want your new files to live. You don't want everything jumbled together, right? Click on the folder where you'd like to upload your photos or files. Maybe you have one just for work documents or one for vacation pictures. This helps keep things tidy and makes items super easy to find later. Next, look towards the top of the page and click on the Add New button. You'll see options pop up like File Upload and Folder Upload. If you just have a handful of files, for example, a few expense receipts or PDFs, choose File Upload. But if you're moving an entire album or project folder, it's much faster to pick Folder Upload. This way, every single item in that folder, including subfolders, is brought over to OneDrive in one shot. At this point, your computer will open a window showing your files. Just browse to the specific file or folder you want to transfer, kind of like picking out a book from a shelf. Click on what you need and then hit Open. Don't worry if you select something by mistake. You can always cancel and try again. Depending on your internet speed and the number of files, the upload might take a few seconds or a couple of minutes. You'll see a progress indicator so you'll know when everything's done. Now, let's switch gears and talk about uploading using the OneDrive desktop app on Windows or Mac. This method is even simpler, and it's perfect if you like working straight from your computer's folders. First, open File Explorer on Windows or Finder on your Mac. In the sidebar, you'll find your OneDrive folder waiting for you. It's usually got a little cloud icon next to it. This folder works just like any other folder on your computer, with one big difference. Anything you put in here will automatically sync to OneDrive in the cloud. All you need to do is drag and drop your files or folders straight into the OneDrive folder. Imagine you're simply moving a stack of papers from your desk into a filing cabinet that just happens to be connected to the internet. There's no need to click Upload or anything else. The OneDrive app takes care of sending everything securely to the cloud in the background. You might notice small sync icons appearing on your files. A blue spinning arrow means it's uploading, and a green check means the file is safely stored on OneDrive and ready to access from anywhere. And that's all there is to it. Whether you use the website or the desktop app, you now have the power to keep your important photos and files backed up, organized, and accessible across all your devices. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a like, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any hiccups. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tips and guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.